Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful rose blushy summer pinks and golds look using these products. I'm just going to prep and prime my face, but first it is time to grab a cup of tea, get yourself settled in, preferably a berry one just because you know it goes in with the theme, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be using this micellar water cleansing lotion, and I'm also going to be using the Ordinary moisturiser just to set my face. Then I'm going to take this hairband and just lift up my hair out of my face just so I can get started. Then I'm going to take up my makeup kit. First of all, I've got this skin-based Visage Prep and Prime from MAC. I love it. This is my go-to primer of all time if you've seen my videos before, although don't get it in your hair. Next up, I'm going to be taking my new Fenty Beauty Foundation, Light as Air. I love this stuff. This is just incredible. This is in the colour 190. There's so many different colours that you can choose from. What I love about this foundation is that it oxidises really nicely on your face. It's really good pigmentation, and also it's just lots of different colours that you can pick and choose from. I just really like it, and it feels great and looks great on my face. Now I'm going to be taking my trusty Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Concealer. I love this stuff. This is from Bourjois. As you've probably seen my videos before, I love this stuff. I use it all of the time. It's my go-to. It feels great on the face. It looks great as well, and it just generally just opens up my whole entire face, particularly on the T-zone when I most need it. Again, this is another favourite. This is the Stay Matte Powder by Rimmel. I love it. It's looking a little bit battered though because I use it all the time. This is in the colour Translucent. It just goes and works with absolutely every foundation that I own, and this just sets everything in place. Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Trio, my trusty Trio. I love it. I'm going to be using the bronzer on this palette. This bronzer I just feel goes with so many different makeup looks. I like to use this in my cheekbones, on my forehead and down around my neck as well. Now I'm going to be using the Gold Rush Blusher by Benefit. I am always out of this stuff, but I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful blusher. It really sets off a lovely rose kind of tone, but you can definitely see it and notice the gold reflects in it. I just like to use this on the apples of my cheeks. Going back to my MAC palette, I'm going to be using this gorgeous highlighter just on my T-zone, on Cupid's bow, and at the top of my cheeks. Now I'm going to be taking my spoolie and I'm just going to get and brush out those eyebrows. Eyebrows are the bane of my life, as you all know. I'm now going to be taking a pot of Vaseline and also taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the colour Taupe. This stuff is my absolute essential for my eyebrows. It just shapes them nicely and also helps me to just fill them in a really nice colour. It really does make such a difference. I really struggle with my eyebrows the majority of the time, so having this stuff just really sets them into place and makes all the difference. Now I'm going to be taking my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Luxury Palette. This is my favourite palette of the moment. I am in love with it. It creates this gorgeous rosy tones. First I'm going to be taking this medium kind of colour just to build up in the crease. I'm then going to take the darker colour just to sweep over my lid and also work into the crease as well. Then I'm going to be taking the lightest colour and I'm going to be using this on the inner side of my corners of my eyes. Then last up I'm going to be taking this beautiful glittery colour. It doesn't really show up that much on the camera, but it really truly sets them off with this beautiful shimmer. Now another trusty favourite, this is the Slim Eyeliner from Bourjois. I use this all of the time and it just really makes them stand out well. Now I'm going to be taking the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. What a name to call a mascara. However, this stuff is great. I always come back to it from time to time. It really sets off the lashes and just helps spread them out. As you can see, this is one coat and already they are standing up and looking beautiful. And then a couple of coats of this, it really does give you a full set of thick, luxurious lashes. And if you're looking for a new mascara, definitely give this one a go because it is fabulous. Now this lipstick is my new fave. This is the Rouge Volupte Shine from YSL and this is in the colour number 44 Nude Lavier. It is by far the most moisturising lip product I own and also creates the most gorgeous colour. I love it, my absolute fave. Next up I'm going to be taking some lashes. These ones are by Eylure and that is the 149 Exaggerate set I really like them. I've been getting a lot better at applying these as well on my eyelids, but I really like these ones in particular. They're just such a nice shape and create such a nice effect. And I just feel that they really set off the look nicely. Now I'm going to take out my hairband, literally rearrange my hair, so then I'm all done and ready to rock and roll. I really hope you like this look. It's such a beautiful, easygoing look for spring and summer. Perfect for this time of year and definitely a go-to staple look. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all next time with my next one. Bye!